Want to help build the future? From self-driving cars to robotic arms used in hospitals, robotics engineers create the machines that shape our world. If you're fascinated by how things work and love solving problems through technology, this could be your perfect career path. Robotics engineers design, build, and program smart machines that carry out complex tasks, especially the ones that are too difficult, repetitive, or dangerous for humans. You'll use a mix of mechanical design, electronics, and computer science to bring machines to life. From automating assembly lines to advancing surgical tools or developing AI-driven robots, this is a fast-growing career at the cutting edge of innovation. To thrive in robotics engineering, you'll need both technical ability and creative thinking. Your skills must include strong maths, physics, and computing knowledge, confidence with programming and systems design, attention to detail, logical thinking, curiosity and patience, good teamwork and communication skills. To study robotics, you'll typically need 5 GCSEs at grade 4C or above, including English and Maths, A-levels or equivalent. Maths is essential and physics is strongly recommended. It's a good idea to explore STEM clubs, coding projects, or work experience in engineering to show your interest. The main types of degree options for robotics tend to be BSc or a Bachelor of Engineering degree. You might choose from Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Science in Robotics Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Robotics and AI, Bachelor of Engineering in Mechatronics and Robotics, Bachelor of Science in Creative Technology and Robotics. Typically, an undergraduate robotics degree requires between 96 to 144 UCAS points. Use What Uni's course search to find the right fit and compare modules and student reviews. You'll begin with core maths, physics and programming, then dive into control systems, AI, sensors and real-world robot builds. Expect hands-on lab time building, coding and testing prototypes. Many courses include placements, projects or competitions. Most last for 3 years, or 4 with a placement, study abroad, or integrated masters. You'll be ready for roles in growing sectors like aerospace, medtech, manufacturing, and autonomous transport. Job titles include robotics software engineer, automation engineer, and mechatronics engineer. Starting salaries range from 27k to 35k and rise quickly, especially in AI or leadership roles. Many engineers work toward chartered status to boost their career. If you're excited by technology, enjoy problem solving and want to help build the future, robotics engineering could be your ideal path. Use What Uni to compare courses, explore career options, and find the robotics degree that's right for you. Explore robotics degrees now